Hi guys, in this video we're going to see how to install Infinity in your Qlik tenant. So it's super simple. If you don't have a license yet, you can start our free trial and check out our features and start building and playing with it. So to do that, you go to myinfinity.com, our website, and under resources, you can start our free trial. All you have to do is to fill in this form here with your name, company, and some other things. And the most important part is the host name. So you go to your Qlik tenant, you copy it from here, and you paste it in here, okay? After that, when you click submit, you should get an email with a password, a username and password to access the infinity.app portal, which I'm going to show you in a second. But before you do that, you go to downloads and you're going to link your Qlik tenant to Infinity, okay? So here in install, in this case, I'm going to show you Qlik Cloud, but Qlik on-premise, it's pretty much the same. So click here, install, then you have a wizard. It's going to do everything for you. You click next, you paste your tenant here again, but without the HTTPS and the last bar. And you need to create an API key in Qlik. So go back to Qlik, you need admin rights here, go to the administration section, scroll down, and under API keys, you need to create a new one. So let's do that very quickly. Generate new. The number of hours doesn't really matter, so it could be 6 hours. Generate, and now you're going to copy and paste it in here. After that, it's going to start a process to install everything in your tenant. And when everything is concluded, you can already start using Infinity. Let's go back to the analytics section. I have here a demo app that I just created. I have a very simple table with one dimension and one measure. It's just a Qlik table. And since I have now the Infinity extension, I can go to custom objects, scroll down and convert this object, or just create a new one. But in this case, I will convert it. I will bring here the forms general object and drag it on top of this table and convert it into a forms general. This will inherit the dimensions and measures that I had before. And you notice that this message will show up. This is because we need to point to a table, an Infinity table. Now that you have your login and password to join infinity.app, you log in and you can choose to connect to your SQL databases or just use the form instances that we have here. For this demo, I will call this new instance demo. Okay, this will basically create a table where we can save data. I can copy this ID here, go back to the object, and under form configuration, I'll paste it in here. And we can start adding new fields. So scroll down, here is still under form configuration, and clicking on add field, you notice that we have a bunch of different types of buttons. We have text fields, number, checkbox, dates, many others. But for this example, just make it short, I will add a number field, which will be 2026, because let's say that we have here sales 25 and we want to start forecasting for 26. We can change the format of the number and many other options, but let's make it short. And I'll add another field, which will be a text field with notes. And I'll just change here the width to 200. Now, what will happen is whenever I change something in here, let's say that it will add a value in 2026 and here a comment as first comment. When I click save, this will save the data in that table that we just created in that instance. So I'll click here. I can even go back here to show you how it works. If I download this data here or just connect to this instance, I will be able to check the data as it is. So we save it in key A, 2026, this value in the field notes, we have first comment, and we always capture who changed what and when. And every time we add a new record, it just adds on top of it. So you have the history, you have everything. And this video was just to show you how simple it is. Plug and play. You can start to play with it in 5 minutes. We have many other features like actions, buttons, lock fields, and some other things that will make your Qlik look like a system. And you can basically build anything on top of it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you. See you in the next video.